Hey, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. What do I buy when I'm looking into reselling? How do I know what to get? So the most common question that I have gotten in my YouTube comments from you guys is, what do I buy? What am I looking for? What do I sell? How do I know what to sell? How much? It just goes on and on and on. Well, first and foremost, you do not have to be an expert, okay? I by no means am an expert. I've just done it so I have experience, that's all. When it comes to selling on Amazon, it's very, very easy. You have the Amazon seller app. Just go to Walmart, start scanning things. If you see that you can make $5 on it, you buy that item. You don't have to know anything about that item, okay? It could be, I'm selling motorcycle parts. I don't ride a motorcycle. I don't know anything about motorcycles, okay? But I'm selling motorcycle parts because I've looked it up online and figured out I can make money on it. Now, Amazon is easy. Just utilize that Amazon seller app and scan things, and it goes through the steps. And if you don't know how to use the seller app, check out my video. I have got a how to use the Amazon seller app series that goes through every detail of the Amazon seller app. So that should be helpful to you, okay? And it's free. If you're an Amazon seller, it's free for you. eBay is a little bit different. Look up the completed listings. Look at how much people have sold it for in the past. So that one gets a little bit more tricky of being able to hunt for things because not everything is under the same category. And so you'll have to be a little bit more creative. eBay is a little bit more like the more unique it is, the better it sells. So eBay, if you're a good thrifter and you've got an eye for the unique and just creative type of things, that's perfect for eBay. Okay, so Etsy. If you're going to sell on Etsy, Etsy is a crafter. So if you know how to make things, if you know how to alter things, if you know how to repurpose things, Etsy is your world. And so just look on there for something similar and find out how much to price it for. And that kind of gives you a gauge. Craigslist is all over the map. You can sell anything from cars to little trinkets. So that one you just have to kind of look up the title of what it is you're looking to sell and sell it. So the biggest thing I want to tell you is people keep asking me the questions, what do I sell? What do I look for? You don't have to be an expert. If it catches your eye, it means it's going to catch someone else's eye. To be honest, my husband and I go picking together because certain things catch his eye that don't catch my eye, and certain things catch my eye that don't catch his eye. And that's honestly what has made us really beneficial in being resellers, because we've got two different perspectives. And then once you hit on something that sells, then go crazy on it. Sell it all the time. Make sure that you always go out there and look and find something very similar. So you don't have to be an expert. And then just look at, can I ship it? Is it easy to ship? You got to think about those kinds of things as well. But just basically recognize when asking the question, what do I sell? Something that catches your eye, and you don't have to be an expert. You can do it. I believe in you, and I hope this has been helpful. I don't know if I answered all your questions on what do I sell, but I sell the gamut from motorcycle parts to tiny little trinkets to general merchandise to clothing. So as you can see, I don't have one particular category that I sell in, and there's not one particular category that I make a lot of money in. So it's kind of just all over the map. If I can make a buck, I sell it. So hopefully this has been helpful to you, and hopefully it's been encouraging that you don't have to be an expert to do it. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins.
If you are looking for resources to help you resell, just click the eBay link below to purchase my Hooked on Pickin Reseller program, which I created from my 10 years of experience reselling. It has checklist cards for Amazon, eBay, and Goodwill. The Goodwill card has over 80 different tips, items, and strategies listed by department. The eBay card has a 6-step guide for reselling, and the Amazon card has a 6-step guide for reselling. They are fully laminated so they can easily go anywhere without being ruined. These are a great resource to buy. Just click below. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.